So welcome to those students that are able to meet with us today and talk with us today. I am going to just talk to you a little bit. One of the things that I want to share is the field of communication is extremely broad, as Amy said. So you can do anything from work in public relations, which is helping different companies showcase their brand in a way that society is able to receive and fully understand. And that extends right to marketing and advertising. We also do a lot of speech writing in the communication field. So a lot of people that you see, whether it's Instagram stars or politicians, the run of the gamut, if they're talking and they are presenting themselves as unique individuals and a brand of themselves, more than likely they're also working with a speechwriter, which you're not going to ever know that speechwriter's name, but you're going to hear their voice come through, because that's what typically happens when you are a public figure. You have someone helping you form the words to make sure that your message gets across loud and clear for your audience. So that's someone in the field of communication that works with those individuals to make sure that their voices are heard in a way in which they would like to be represented in society. So when it comes to what we offer at MCC, we offer an interpersonal communication class, public speaking, an intro to human communication, and then also small group and intercultural communication courses. All of these courses allow you to take another step into the communication process and understanding the communication process. The Introduction to Human Communication course is just that, an introduction to the theories behind communication courses, and the theory behind communication in general, And a part of that course studies interpersonal communication, which is communication between people. But we also are looking at and exploring communication as it relates to public speaking, small group, how we communicate through mass media. So when we have, when we're utilizing social media, when we're watching newscasts, all of that information is very well thought out channels for communication. And so we explore what that looks like kind of behind the scenes in an intro to human communication class. Additional to the public speaking and interpersonal, we have intercultural and small group communication courses. These courses allow you to take another in-depth approach when it comes to small group, whether you're working in a group for students for another class, or you are engaging with students, or not students rather, whether you're engaging with people at your job and you're having to work through a group project at work. You have to figure out how to work effectively in a group. And so small group communication really explores the nuances that go into play when you are a part of a team, when you are working with 5 to 8 people, and how each person has their own piece of the puzzle to put together in order to create that masterpiece, whatever it is that you're working towards. Intercultural communication allows students to explore communicating with people that are from various cultures. And when we're talking about cultures, automatically we like to go to different nationalities for cultural perspectives, but we have several co-cultures within the US, right? We have a big one, rural versus urban, right? And so that idea of being a part of a culture in a rural setting, there are differences how we communicate with those that are from an urban setting, a city dwelling person. And so the idea of being able to understand different cultural perspectives and then respectfully communicate with people that are from various cultures is an important part of society and navigating effective communication. So we explore all of that within the field of communication and within the program that we offer specifically at MCC. Some of the things that we do in our course, in our coursework, we do a lot of talking, right? We have to talk to each other to figure things out and to explore what we're thinking. And I charge you, along with the other instructors, we charge you to be honest with yourself. if I could highlight one of the major things that you will experience in this program, it's being introspective, and it's talking honestly with yourself about how you think and how you process things, because all of that affects how you're going to communicate with other people and how you receive messages from other people.